Huh?
Yes.
Yeah. What happened? You're with somebody there.
Yes, I'm
Yes,
in
I'm in
August.
August. You are in Ogun State.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. And you say you don't know anybody there.
I didn't hear
I
you.
didn't hear you. Victoria, who are you with?
I'm with my
I'm with my
auntie.
auntie. Is she watching us?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And you say you don't know anybody in Yoruba land. You are in Ogun State. Oh, what's it called? Ogun State is Yoruba.
Yes.
Yes. I don't know it from anywhere. I just because this is what I'm seeing. I see a connection in Nigeria and I also see it in the West. Ogun State is in the West and West is Yoruba. I am
Yes.
praying for you. I am praying for you, Victoria, that God will bless you where you are, the location you are now.
Amen.
Amen. God will bless you in that location where you are now.
Amen.
Hmm? God will bless you in Ogun State.
Amen.
Favor will begin to come to you in Ogun State.
Amen.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. How is your auntie?
She's fine.
She's fine. She's fine. What about your mom?
She's fine,
She's
sir.
fine, sir. Okay. When was the last time you saw your mom?
Like
Like
3 weeks
3 weeks
plus.
plus.
But
3 weeks.
this month
This month.
I go to
You traveled this. You went home.
to my
To
town
my
place.
town place. Where's your town?
Benue State.
Benue State. You're from Benue. Which side of Benue?
Oju.
Oju. Oju is Idoma.
Igede.
Igede. Igede. Okay. I served in Benue State. I did my national service in Benue State. You know Otukbo?
Okay, sir.
Huh?
I know the very
Yes,
well.
that's where I did my national service. It's okay. I am praying for you, Victoria.
Okay, sir.
I'm praying for your auntie. I am praying for your mom. Hmm? I'm
Okay,
praying
sir.
for your mom.
Yes, sir.
I'm praying for your mom because in the realm of the spirit, all of a sudden the Lord opened my eye and I saw your mom complain about pains, like joint pains, but it's mainly on her arms. Pains.
Yes.
Yes. It's a health challenge. Joint pains, like pains, weakness on the joint. I am praying for your mom that God will protect her.
Amen.
Amen. God will protect your auntie.
Amen.
Amen. God will bless you all.
Amen.
Amen. That whatever you place your hand on will turn into gold.
Amen.
Amen. I am praying for you because I see business doors opening for you.
Amen.
I see business doors opening for you.
Amen.
Amen. Heaven will remember you, Victoria.
Amen.
I see business doors and I see you making plans. I see this is something that you have plans to do. I don't know how far you've gone for it. I see business door that has to do with women accessories and clothing materials. Women accessories and clothing material. When I talk about women accessories, I talk about hairs, women hairs, and clothing materials. Hmm? Do you understand what I'm talking about? Victoria, you're busy. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Victoria, are you there?
I'm here, sir. Yes, sir.
What are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Ah,
Victoria,
thank you, sir.
what are you doing? What are you doing?
We want to
We
do
want to
party
do
tomorrow,
party
so we are
tomorrow, so we
prepared,
are
sir.
prepared, sir. What kind of party is that?
For our
For our
meeting
meeting
people,
people.
end of the
Okay.
year
No, the
party.
party. What do you do? What do you do for a living?
I'm a
I'm a
business owner.
business owner. Okay. What kind of business is that?
Provision.
Provision. Okay. So I hope the business is going on well.
But
But
now,
now,
I don't
I don't
understand,
understand,
safe.
sis. You don't understand.
Yes, I have
Yes, I have
challenges now.
challenges now. It's
I
okay.
don't know what is
God is in control. Huh?
Amen.
Amen. I see. I told you I see business door opening. And the Lord is making ways for you because I see the business door opening. I see you dealing on something that has to do with women accessories. I see clothing materials. I see the Lord expanding your business.
Yes.
Yes. Hmm?
Amen,
I'm
Mom.
praying. I'm praying for you that that door will open.
Amen.
Amen. That financial door that you've been expecting God to open, it will open. Hmm?
Amen.
Victoria, I will let you go so that you go and continue with the meeting. Do not drink alcohol. Huh?
Daddy, good evening. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
sir.
Do not
Good
drink
evening,
alcohol
sir.
tomorrow.
Okay,
Hello?
sir.
I'm here. Don't tell me. Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes. Is that the auntie?
My
Hello.
auntie is speaking.
Yes. Madam, how are you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, madam. Good
I'm
evening.
fine, sir. I'm fine, sir. Máa pè é padà. Yes,
Ah,
sir. Well done, sir.
you're good. You're good, right?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine.
I cannot hear you.
Don't mind my children. My children.
Hello,
Daddy, good
are you?
evening, sir.
Yes, madam. How are you? Good evening.
I'm fine, sir. I'm fine, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome. What's your name, please?
Thank you, sir. Rosaline.
Rosalind. Rosalind, I'm praying for you. You want prayers, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you believe in Jesus?
Yes, oh.
I am praying for you, Rosalind. Rosalind, you are welcome, okay?
Thank you, sir.
I am praying for you, Rosalind, because in the realm of the spirit, this is the first thing I saw, and I have to pray concerning it. You see, your
Yes, sir.
spine down to your waist, you started having waist pain in your spine down to your waist.
Hello, sir.
Do you hear what I said?
I'm hearing you, sir.
I say I can see you
Hello,
going through
sir.
challenges. Can you hear me? Network is poor.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Do you know? Yes, I see waist pain down to your spine. Waist pain, waist pain. Network is
Yes,
poor.
sir.
Network is poor.
Yes, sir. Don't hearing me, sir.
I can
Ah,
hear you.
Jesus. Hello? Yes.
Rosalind,
I'm
I can
hearing you
hear
now.
you. I am praying for you, okay? I'm praying for your health, Rosalind. Huh? Ouch. Network is poor. But it's okay. We are praying for all of us. We are praying for all of us. Congrats, Ogechi. God bless you. Mr. Wealth, God bless you. We're about to go. Though network has been poor, but we will soon go. Hmm? We will soon go. God bless you all. Kenny Dorcas. Wherever you're joining us from, God bless you. God bless you. Mr. Wealth.
More grace, sir.
Mr. Wealth, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. More grace.
How are you today?
Glory be to God. We are fine.
Okay. Is this the first time you're joining us, sir?
I'll be joining you, but you don't like to bring me up.
No, it's not like I don't want to bring you up. The thing is this: if you join us, you see multiple people. Sometimes you have hundreds, sometimes you have thousands of people, and there's no way I'll be able to, prophesy to everybody. It's as the Spirit leads, and our time is limited. We just have 1 hour.
Yeah, right.
We are praying that people will begin to support us.
Like yesterday,
Yes.
I was here twice yesterday. You are picking people. It hit my tongue. You said that you want to go.
I'm sorry, okay? It's
No
not
problem,
it's
sir.
not it's not intentional. I am sorry. It's not intentional, okay?
Okay, sir.
It's just that we keep to our time. Even now, I also want to go, but I don't know. The Spirit of God said I should just bring you up. I'm about to go because I started 7, 9, so it's 8 o'clock.